Hi everyone, this is part of the Learn from the Master series. So if you want to get taught by Vladimir Nabokov, look no further. The first book we have is Lectures on Literature. He writes about some major writers, does like a full breakdown analysis on them. So Nabokov used to be a teacher of literature. These are some of the lecture notes he used to give in his classes throughout the years. Next we have Lectures on Russian Literature. Same thing, breakdown analysis. Since he's Russian and he's written some of the best work out there, I'd say he's one of the best people to learn Russian literature from. And if you want to get taught Don Quixote by Vladimir Nabokov, it's right here. This book is not only about literature, but movies, art, politics. He also writes about books he loves and hates. And if you don't want to read the book, this website tells you all the books that he recommends. So next is his autobiography. He writes about literature and writing. And this book is for someone who is trying to become a writer. Not only covers Nabokov, but different major writers here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.